Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is highly requested. A lot of my subscribers wanted me to make a video on how they can remove watermark from their video. Now, there are times when you want to repurpose your videos, and then when you try to save these videos from other applications, you end up having watermarks on them. Now, on this video, the process that I'm going to show you is not something where you need to download any app. This is a very easy way to remove watermark, and you can do this in less than 2 minutes. Now, if you're posting on YouTube, especially maybe if you want to repurpose a video from Instagram or TikTok on YouTube, one thing that YouTube doesn't like is having watermark on their platform, especially when that watermark is not YouTube. They're going to end up not pushing that video. Now, I'm going to show you the simple way to make sure that you're repurposing your video in the right way. You can also save other people's videos that are not yours and still remove the watermark with the same step. Now, if you're using other people's content, make sure that you're not using it on YouTube. Maybe you have a funny video that you want to save from either TikTok or Instagram and post on your WhatsApp. You can do this and it is completely safe. But if it's on YouTube, you have to make sure that you're only using content that are originally yours, so that you're avoiding copyright claim and also avoiding a strike, because a strike can get your channel permanently deleted. Now, the very first thing you want to do is go into your browser. You can use any browser that you have. It can be Chrome, it can be Safari, whatever browser you have would do the job. Going into my Instagram page, I'm going to show you how your video comes out when you save it in the normal way. Now, you can see that this video have the watermark and you don't want this. Now, how can you save your videos without watermark? This is a very simple step, but note that the step for Instagram and TikTok are a little bit different. So they have similarities, but they have difference as well. So you want to make sure that you're watching this video to the end to make sure that you don't make any mistake. Now, when you go into Instagram, what you want to do is go into that video that you want to save and then copy the link. Now, go back into your browser. You can use any browser, like I said. Now, what you're going to do is type in snapinsta.app. When you type in that, this is how it is going to look like. And now you have to paste the link in the paste URL Instagram option and click on download. When you click on download, your video is going to download. Now go into the download on your browser and save the video to your gallery or your photos. I'm going to show you how this video is. You can see that it has no watermark. Now let's go and do TikTok. Now, if you go into TikTok, just like Instagram, all you have to do is copy the link of that video that you want to save. When you copy the link, go into your browser, type in snaptik.app. Now, paste the link that you copied on the parts that is provided for you to paste the link, and then download and save the video. This was a very easy step, I hope. Now, if this video was helpful to you, please comment down below and give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can actually recommend my video to more people that it might be helpful to. Also, subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful. Also, you can turn on your post notifications to be able to know when I have a new video. Thank you everyone for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.